Hello guys and welcome to Overexpression. So today we are unboxing another gaming headset, but now from Genesis HX60 gaming headset. So I bought this headset for about 25 euros if you wanna know. Let's see what we have on the box. On the box we have a Virtual Sound 7.1 built-in USB sound card. Now let's see what we have on the other side of the box. On the top we have the name. On the back side we have some information about the headset. The frequency response is from 20 to 20,000 Hz. The impedance is 32 ohms. Sound pressure is 117 decibels plus 3 decibels. The microphone sensitivity is minus 58 decibels plus 3 decibels. It has only USB 2.0 connector, there's no 3.5mm jack. The cable length is 2.8 meters, and of course the system requirements from Windows 98 to Windows 10. On the other side it has the LED backlight and the multifunctional connector, so we're going to see that when we unbox the actual headset. So now let's open it and see what we have inside. So from the first look, the headset looks nice. But let's get it out from this red box and see. So here is the actual headset. From the first feel, it feels kinda plastic, it's matte plastic. The build quality, it's not the best, as I said, a lot of plastic. It has an adjustable microphone, that's nice. There's the backlight. Now let's see the controller. On the one side it has forward button and back button, as well as the Genesis logo. The big circle is the volume button, and in the other side it has microphone mute and the backlight switch. The cable is nice, it's isolated, and you're not going to have any problems with warming. And at the end of the cable we have the USB 2.0 connector. I thought there is an extension for the 3.5mm jack, but I don't find anything other in the box. The only thing I found in the box is the instruction manual how to install and use your headphones on your PC. The quick installation guide. So there's the actual headset, there's the logo on the both sides of the headset. As I said, the build quality is not the best, a lot of plastic. The cable is good, and after I connected on the PC, I saw that the sound is pretty good. It's good that it has on the top, and the earpads have a nice cloth. Or is it really a cloth, but feels nice. Overall, do you need to buy this one? If you're on a budget, I would say yes. If you have more money, don't buy it, buy a better one. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.